There we go, it's coming out. Hallelujah.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Screw right here is just absolutely rounded off. There's no getting that out with a regular bit. So what I'm going to do is I've got a set of these left-handed screw bits, and basically what you do is first off you make sure your drill's in counterclockwise or to the left, whatever you want to call it. So I've got that and another drill, and you also use these in the counterclockwise rotation. So now that I've got a hole drilled out, I'm going to try and get this to bite. Let's see if it works. I want to press down super hard and hope for the best. Alright, it's spinning free, so I got to drill down more. So let's try that again. Drill this down some more. Let's use some cutting oil too. Always a good idea. Magic cutting fluid. Just one little drop. Alright, let's try it. Alright, that might be deep enough. We will find out. Maybe. There we go, it's coming out. Hallelujah. Boom, strip screw right there. Okay, now that I got the carbs apart from each other, I'm going to actually take one single carb apart by itself. One quick note, make sure you pay attention to each carb when you're taking it apart. So if you've got 4 carbs, number them, do something to distinguish which carb is which, because that actually matters. So I'm going to take the float ball off first. Okay, so there's the bottom of the carb without the float bowl. You got your float here, and you got 2 jets, your main jet and your slow jet. And then once you take your float bowl, your floats out, there's a needle valve right here, where under my finger is. And with your rebuild kit, you'll get a new one. So just pay attention to that and replace it. So now I'm going to disassemble this part and show you. So we get the float bowl out, use something skinny to poke out the pin. Sometimes it's more challenging than it should be. There we go. So there's the float needle valve that comes out that you'll get a replacement for. Do not lose this pin. You need this. There's no replacement one for that. And then a flathead screwdriver to get the pilots out, or the jets out, I mean. And like I was saying, if you get a rebuild kit, it will come with new jets. So I don't even have to worry about cleaning these, which is really nice because these are 20 years old. Alright, now we're my rebuild kit comes with a new needle too, which I was kind of surprised. I don't know if that's typical or not. And you can get that out by just unscrewing this little plastic cover. And it just comes right out, like that. Alright. I'll get a close-up of this carb and everything I just took out of it. Okay, so there's my disassembled carb. You got your jets, your needle valve that I have a replacement, my float, the float pin, the spring, the piston and diaphragm, and the needle. Oh, there it is, right there. I'm gonna put these two covers. I'm just gonna sit them in vinegar overnight, just to clean them up a bit. You know, get them looking like new. And if you got a rebuild kit and they didn't come with new jets, just get some carb cleaner, spray it inside these holes, and then get some compressed air. If you don't have compressed air in your shop, you can just go buy like a can of compressed air. And you want to be able to see light through it. So that's how you know it's clean. So now I'm going to do the same thing for my other carbs and rebuild them. Oh, and the other thing, actually, real quick. You'll get a new gasket for your float bowl. So you'll want to replace this thing in here. Alright. Now that I got my new jets in, I'm going to put in my new float valve and the float. And then I'll put the float bowl back on as well. It's just still soaking in some vinegar right Now that I got the bottom of the carb on, the float bowl and such, I'm going to do the top. So I'm going to put the jet needle back in, the jet needle holder, this piston and diaphragm, and then this spring, and then the cover. And then you just screw it back on. Okay, well yeah, so this is a car put back together. We've got 3 more to do. I'm not going to record it just because it's the same exact process. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, leave a like or a comment, let me know. I'll have more videos to follow. I'm still working on my Honda CB750. It's a total rebuild, turned into a cafe racer. Yeah, stay tuned.